all at once. The world can overwhelm me. There's almost nothing that you can tell me.
Okay. Now, I want to make a little video about images of Earth from space. So let's go here. And we're going to Google search. Just a simple Google search. No, magic here. No fake images. We're just go images of Earth from space. Okay, we're going to go right there. And hopefully maybe this will work better for you guys. I know it sucks, but I know most people that would watch these videos, the few people that would watch videos in my channel would already know these things, but we'll go images. Okay, so now these are the top results for a simple images of Earth from space Google search. Okay, now this isn't about whether you think the Earth is flat or you think it's a ball or you think it's a fucking equilateral triangle or a rhombus or an octagon or a fucking tetrahedron, or I don't really give a fuck. What I'm telling you is that these are the images of the place we live that they are giving to us, okay? Now, do you believe these are real? That's what you need to ask yourself. Do you think these are real pictures? Do you? That's the question. Now, I know a lot of people already know these things, and I'm just kind of revisiting it because I think maybe they're, some, who knows what kind of fucking chance that would happen that anything ever happens with this shit, but I'm not going to stop trying. So, anyway, all right, let's go here. 10 exceptional images of Earth from space. Okay, so let's go there. Let's go to that site there. Okay, this is Popular Science. 10 exceptional images of Earth from space. Life on a pale blue dot. They try to, it's just so romantic. Like, oh, look at it. It's like, what in the fuck is that anyway? I don't know what that is. Is that North America, like United States and South America? Either way, do you think it's real? It's very frustrating. Okay, so let's read it. This is 2012, captured in 2012. The blue marble image of Earth. Okay, let's see. It's nice to set aside a day out of the year to remember that despite all of the imaginary borders we set up to define ourselves, I just want to interject here. This is where they fucking call you a dumbass, okay? It's nice to set aside a day out of the year to remember that despite all of the imaginary borders, okay? They're not talking about the imaginary borders that we have here between countries and all this bullshit. They're talking about real borders that probably lie outside of this fucking ball that we've been imprisoned on, okay, people? But they fucking mock you and say, despite all the imaginary borders we set up to define ourselves, our offices, neighborhoods, cities, and most importantly, to many countries, okay, and in the second place, we didn't set any of that shit up, okay? This is just the life that was presented to us. Understand that, okay? You're a fucking programmed retard. So am I'm still am to a fucking great degree. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying I'm fucking better than anybody because I would never say that in my life. I love all you guys, honestly. I'm just tired of the fucking bullshit. Okay, so anyway, we're all spinning through space on the same blue sphere. After all, that's what will unite us when the aliens inevitably show up on the White House.
Warning. 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 3, 2, 1.
House lawn one day. Like, what does that even mean? That means aliens are going to show up on the White House lawn? Like, why would why would it magically be on the White House lawn? Are we more special than, say, fucking Europe or Africa or Asia, anywhere fucking for that matter, Middle East, who cares, wherever it is. No, they're going to show up in the White House lawn one day, okay? And I mean, really, if you think anybody's ever been to space, you need to check yourself, because nobody's ever been to space. There's no fucking, it ain't, it's nothing like you can't go there, okay? So why are they even talking about fucking aliens from outer space? That's the whole, like, what are we even talking about here? So with all that in mind, for this year's Earth Day, let's check out some of the best images of our planet from space, because there's nothing more sobering than the realization that all of human history is contained, as Carl Sagan would say, on a pale blue dot. Shut the fuck up. Pardon my fucking language, but I don't give a rat's ass. Okay. Now, here we go. Look at this one. This is from 2015. Okay. Wow. Okay, 2015 here. Let's go here. 2012. Okay, that's just 2012 here. Here we are. 2012. Wow. And then we go 3 years later. It's like, what happened? What in the fuck happened? Oh my God, what happened? Like, something had to have happened, because I mean, literally, they're the same size, as far as in the picture. What in the fuck? And this is how they mock you too, because they wouldn't have this one first and then this one second. Honestly, like, they're saying you're a fucking moron. And anybody that thinks they're fucking smart and thinks like, oh yeah, they're not lying, you're dumb. Good Lord. The Epic Earth, named after the Earth polychromatic imaging camera, EPIC. Oh yeah, real epic piece of shit. This image of our homeworld was snapped from NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite from about 1 million miles away on July 6, 2015. It showcases a fully sunlit globe that is actually a combination of different photos stitched together. Okay, so let's use a little critical thinking here, folks, and we'll go. This image of our homeworld was snapped from NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite from about 1 million miles away. It's actually a combination of different photos stitched together. This image was snapped from NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite. It's actually a combination of different photos stitched together. Like, are you guys, like, come on. What the fuck are they even talking about? Good Lord. Like, oh yeah, this is from a satellite, but it's actually multiple images stitched together. Well, what the fuck is it then? Bullshit. That's what it is. Good God. Oh, look at this fucking piece of shit here. Here we go. Earthrise, dubbed Earthrise. This image was captured in 2015 when NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, was 80 miles above the moon's surface. 80 miles. Okay, so see what you're looking at here. You got the moon's surface under, see that moon's surface, whatever. Looks like fucking bullshit. Then you got the Earth there. They're 80 miles above the moon's surface. Can you even imagine? Look up in the fucking sky, okay? Go outside, look in the sky, and imagine 80 miles up, okay? Imagine miles for one. Imagine 30 miles away from your house. It's, it's a pretty good little drive. Okay, imagine 80 miles up in the fucking sky. And this is what the moon would look like. Really. And that's what the Earth looks like from the moon, supposedly. Whew, man, I'll tell you what. Okay. 80 miles above the moon's surface, traveling at 3,580 miles per hour. Despite the name of the picture, when viewed from the moon, the Earth doesn't actually rise. They're telling you the Earth doesn't actually rise because the moon is tidally locked, which means one side of it is always facing us. So that, they have to say, well, it's not really the Earth, right? It's not really anything. That picture is not really anything. That's how they're trying to like solidify it as a fact. Like, despite the look of the picture, the Earth isn't really rising. No shit, because the picture's fucking fake, dumb fuck. Good Lord. But that's how, they try to throw these little specifics in there to try to get you to go, oh, yeah, well, yeah, because that's not the Earth rising. It's nothing. It's nothing but a fucking cartoon ball. And I don't know what the fuck that moon is. It's all computer graphics. It's nothing but bullshit. CGI. Okay? Computer graphic image. It's retarded. Let's see. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is pretty cool. Let's check this out. Oh my God. Like, what is that? Okay, let's see. Let's read. The famous pale blue dot image is the first ever portrait of the solar system. The Voyager 1 snapped this image on February 14th, 1990. From 4 fucking billion miles away. It's a great way to make yourself feel really small. Oh yeah, because that's just what I love to do. I just really like making myself feel completely small. Do you guys like to make yourselves feel small? Because that's what this picture really does for me. It makes me feel really small. The image is actually 60 different frames stitched together. Now let's look at it. Like, what is it? What is it in the fucking first place? Like, I gotta be honest with you people, it's probably, who knows? It's nothing. It's a fucking picture out of a window or something at nighttime and who knows? It's nothing. I guarantee you, it is not any fucking picture taken from 4 billion fucking miles away, but then it's not really that because it's 60 different images. And then they throw this shit at you people and you guys believe it. I believed it. I never looked at this shit. That's the problem too. None of us look at it. But come on, you think this is real? God, these people think we are dumb as fuck, and nobody gives a fuck. People are bitching about fucking politics and this and that. And I'm telling you right now, politics are bullshit. Okay? They want to tell you about this New World Order fucking bullshit. We're already in the New World Order, man. The whole world is controlled. All governments are in cahoots with each other, okay? That's what people want to say. Oh, well, if we didn't really go to the moon, why didn't Russia say something? Because fucking Russia, everybody's in on everything, people. Do you think they really give a fuck? We're the ones that get killed in wars. I'm a veteran. I was in the Navy. I thought I was doing my gung-ho duty to be a fucking badass dude, Oh, yeah, dude. Like, give me a break, dude. There is no United States of America. We're a corporation. We are fucking literally owned. We're slaves, okay? When you're fucking born, they take your little fucking foot and they stamp it on a piece of paper. Okay? You're fucking cattle. Fuck. That's the same picture there. So let's go here. Oh, wow. Look at that. You can look at all these lights. And then they spread the rumors like, oh, you can only see the lights from the Luxor from space. Obviously here, like Jake the asshole says, fucking, you can just turn on your fucking porch light, I guess, and see the lights. Look at that. I mean, how much, look at all that Earth, like no cloud, not one. And then look at that sun there, 93 million miles away. You shit me? You couldn't even fathom 93 million miles away in your fucking head. They say the Earth is 25,000 miles in circumference. And they say the fucking sun's 93 million fucking miles away. That one picture we just got 4 billion miles away. That's what they do. They throw big numbers at you so you feel like an idiot and you're like, oh, well, I guess they know because I just am too stupid to fucking fathom it, because I'm just not a scientist. Yeah, you are a scientist. You got eyeballs in your fucking head and you got fucking smellers in your nose and you got feelers on your hands and your feet. Okay? You got everything you need right inside of yourself to understand that you're not on a spinning ball flying through outer fucking space. All right? It's time you retook and fucking introduced yourself with your senses and just like look around. Good Lord. Okay, this is another one. Here we go. HD sky view. This image is from the blah, blah, tropical cyclone. Fucking, it's just so stupid. You think that's a fucking real picture of a fucking ball spinning around at over 1,000 miles an hour, spinning around the sun at 67,000 miles an hour while hurtling through space at 500,000 miles an hour? Give me a fucking break. Look at, this is a fucking, here you go. It's a false color image of Earth's plant growth. So this is a false color image of Earth's plant growth. So I guess this is the only, the continent on the, kind of on the top there, whatever, you know, and then on the side are red. I guess that's the plant growth. So the one down here on the right, you know, there's no plant growth. It's just fucking barren land. God, it makes me fucking want to barf. Okay. So basically, you know, bottom line is, I'm just going to end this because I'm going to go absolutely insane, is when you Google search images of Earth from space, okay, this is what they got for you. Okay, this is it. These are the top search results. This is it. You know, this is the good stuff right here. Come on, bitch. Oh. Pardon me. I know you guys probably already stopped watching by now. But anyway, fuck it. We go home and see now it's all fucked up. You know, because, you know, all of a sudden my phone can't work because they're fucking, you know, oh, boop, 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 boop.